How to create a flash transition in Premiere Pro. Here we are in the timeline. We've got two clips. We're going to put a flashlight transition to go from one to the other. Super easy, super effective effect that's used in music videos all the time. Let's go first to an adjustment layer in the project bin. If you haven't got an adjustment layer, you can create one here. Just hit this button and go down to adjustment layer. I've already created one here, so I'm just going to drag it across. I want to make it 10 frames. So take your playhead to the center point of the two clips and then press shift and left once. That will go 5 frames to the left. And then we'll go shift and right twice. And that'll take us 5 frames to the right of the center. Select the clip and then press Ctrl K to cut the clip. And then off we go to effects, type in levels, drag levels onto the adjustment layer. So we're looking for the second one down, white input level. So let's click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe in the center where the playhead is. We'll move this just to the left-hand side, put another keyframe in, move it to the right-hand side, put another keyframe in around here, go back to the center, and then this is the one we're going to adjust. Just move this level here, and as you can see, it kind of blows out the light. You can have it all the way out, that'll be the center of the transition, or you can just bring it in a little and not have it fully blown out. But if you play it back, boom. And if you want to, I mean, it's quite a quick effect, but if you want to, you can group the keyframes and then maybe go Bezier, smooth out the movement. Not that you notice because it's so quick, but there it is. Hope that helps. See ya.